Okay, so for problem 3.6, number 6. So dito po ay, ano ba nangyari? Binili yung car on installment basis. So the starting point of our solution is the cost. Then under installment basis po kasi sa fringe benefit taxation, ang installment period is assumed to be 5 years. So i-divide mo siya. So you will have the annual monetary value of 240,000. So yan yung ini-enjoy nung what do you call this? The officer, no? And hindi mo na yan multiply sa 50% or 5% kasi according to the problem, the car was in the name of the manager or officer. So yung buong monetary value na 240,000 is considered as the fringe benefit enjoyed by the officer. Syempre net of tax yan. So i-gross up mo yan divided by 65%. So gross up monetary value is 369,231. At yan po yung i-multiply mo sa tax rate na 35%. Kaya fringe benefit tax is 129,231.